Very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain geometrical proof for the identities. First identity a minus b whole square is called a square minus 2ab plus b square. To prove that identity, I am taking one square with a units. So this is the square with a units. So from this square, I cut the length. I cut one part. There is nothing but b units. Here also b units. So after this, it is yellow colored one rectangular came and green colored one square came and pink colored one rectangular came. So the total length is nothing but a. So from the a, what to cut here? B. So it is nothing but a minus b. The length of yellow color is a minus b, and breadth is nothing but b. So here one square common with b units and one pink colored rectangular common. What is the length here? Breadth is nothing but b and length is nothing but a minus b. So middle part is square. What is the length here? A minus b and a minus b and a minus b and a minus b. So here square is divided into 4 parts. So after this square is divided into 4 parts. So with the 4 parts, one is rectangle, one is square and one is square. So to find the area of this square, you have to add the area of this part and also this part and also this part and also this part. So let this is nothing but first part and this is second part, this is third part and this is fourth part. So to find the area of this figure, I have to add the area of 4 figures. What is first one? I am taking yellow colored one. Area of first figure. Area of first figure. So what is the figure here? Rectangle. So what is the formula? Area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is the length of this one? A minus b. And breadth is nothing but b. So what we can write here? A minus b into b. It is nothing but ab minus b square. ab minus b square. Now move to area of second part. Area of second part. So here second part is nothing but square. What is the length here? B and b. So what is the area of this square? Side into side. Side into side. It is nothing but b into b is equal to b square. b into b is equal to b square. Now move to third part. What is third part? Third part is nothing but rectangle, pink color. Area of third part is equal to length into breadth. It means a minus b into b is a square. ab minus b square. Now move to fourth part. What is the fourth part here? Fourth part is nothing but square. Area fourth part is equal to formula side into side. What is the side here? A minus b and a minus b. So what we can write here? A minus b into a minus b. So area of 4 part is nothing but a minus b whole square. Now I need the value of a minus b whole square. Here to find the area of the fourth figure. To find the area of the fourth figure from the total, I am subtracting area of the first figure plus area of the second figure plus area of the third figure. I need the value of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is nothing but fourth part. So to find the area of the fourth part, I am subtracting first part, second part, third part from the total. So area of the fourth part is equal area of the total minus area of first figure plus second figure plus third figure. What is the area of the total? Side into side. It is nothing but a square. Well, because this is a square with the a units. Minus. What is the area of the first figure? ab minus b square. Plus. What is the area of the second figure? B square. plus area of the third figure AB minus B square. AB minus B square. Now what happens? Here minus B square plus B square cancel. So finally A square minus R. 1AB plus 1AB 2AB minus B square. A square plus into minus minus 2AB minus into minus plus B square. So finally the value of A minus B whole square is equal A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here is the second element. A plus B whole square is equal A square plus 2AB plus B square. To prove this, for example, here I am taking one square with side A, for example, this is B. So the total length is nothing but A plus B. Length of this one is A and length of this one is B. So total length is A plus B. Here I am taking one square with A plus B units. So I divided that square into 4 parts. So what is the measurements of our first part? Length is A and breadth is B. Now move to second one. Here one square is formed with B units. And third, this also. Length is A and breadth is B. So similarly fourth one is a square with A units. So now here I took one square with A plus B units. That square is divided into 4 parts. First, second and third and fourth. So to find the area of the total part, you have to add the area of first part and second part and third part and fourth part. First of all, area of total figure. Area of total figure. So what is the figure here? I took one square with A plus B units. What is the area of the square? Side into side. So A plus B into A plus B is equal to A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. Now I am moving to first part. Area. First part. It is nothing but rectangle. Length is A and breadth is B. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So L into B is equal to A into B. Now I need the area of the second figure. Area of second part is equal. This is a square with B units. What is the area of this square? Side into side. So it is B into B is equal to B square. Similarly, now I am moving to third part. Here, what is third part? It is a rectangle with the length A and breadth B. Area of third part is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? A into B is equal to AB. Now I am moving to fourth part. What is the fourth part here? Square with the side A units. Area of fourth part. It is a square with side A units. So it is A into A is equal to A square. So according to diagram, area of the total figure is equal area of the first figure plus area of the second figure plus area of the third figure plus area of the fourth figure. Area of total figure is equal to area of first figure plus second figure plus third figure plus fourth figure. What is the area of the total figure? A plus B whole square is equal to area of the first figure AB plus area of the second figure B square, area of the third figure AB plus A square. So total A square 1AB plus 1AB 2AB plus B square. So the identity is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.